Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone connected to Wi-Fi but no internet. A not so common problem iPhone users face is when they connect to a Wi-Fi network but find there is no internet. You may see the connected but no internet or no internet connection message on your iPhone's Wi-Fi settings. So in this video I will tell you how you can fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force restart your iPhone. For this, press and hold the volume up button and the volume down button and the power button, and then slide to power off. Wait for some time and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is Wi-Fi network visible in settings. For this, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi. You should see a blue tick before the Wi-Fi network your phone is connected to. If your Wi-Fi network is listed under the network sections, tap to reconnect. You may ask to enter the password. Do it and check if your phone is still connected to Wi-Fi but there is no internet, and you are done. And the next step is enable and disable airplane mode. For this, you need to open the control center by swiping down from the right corner of the screen and tap on the airplane icon to enable it. Wait for a few seconds and then tap again to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is forget network and reconnect. For this, you need to go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network name. Tap on forget this network. You may ask to confirm, wait a few seconds and then select the Wi-Fi network and sign back in, and you are done. And the next step is enable location services for networking and wireless. For this, open settings and go to privacy and security and select location services. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to select system services and enable network and wireless option. If already enabled, disable it once and then re-enable it. Now check if the phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network and internet is working, and you are done. And the next step is turn off VPN. For this, go to settings, go to VPN. If your VPN is connected, turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is disable private address. For this, open settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap on the I button next to the Wi-Fi network, disable private Wi-Fi address here. Tap on rejoin, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, open settings, go to general, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and select reset network settings from the menu that slides open from the bottom. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Wi-Fi connected to iPhone but no internet connection. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.